was nice that this garage came with a 50 amp plug receptacle, and I got a 50 to 30 amp adapter there. And then it has the sewer hookup and water. But what it didn't come with was a sink. So I went to Lowe's and got this utility sink. It's the smaller size, and it fits pretty nice in there. So with this sink, if I put that P-trap in there, hook it to that 1.5 inch flex hose, run along the baseboard to the sewer, then there is an adapter that I've seen. It's a 3 inch with a Y, and if I can get a 1.5 to 3 inch connection there with the P-trap, I shouldn't have a problem with odor. That's kind of the plan. I really don't want to put a separate drain in for the sink, other than something temporary like that.
I want to get some hot water to the sink there, so I've ordered an EcoTemp 4-gallon electric mini water tank heater. It operates off 110-120 volts. It's adjustable heat from 50 Fahrenheit to 140. It's got a quick recovery time. It's small, compact. I can place it somewhere there on the wall or underneath the sink, and I'll just tap it into the faucets that come with the sink.
Then I'll make some sort of a little walk, a little catwalk across there, if I keep the RV hooked up. I may just keep that disconnected. I don't know, I need to address that whole sewer potential drain for the sink in conjunction with the motorhome. It's just hot and pecking at Lowe's. So I throw that out there as a nice add-on to the garage.
After cleanup of the garage, I took a trip to Lowe's. Let's see what I got. I'll have to come up with a good plan to put these parts to good use. I'll keep the receipt in case I have to return any of this stuff. There's the hot water heater and some drain flex hose. I caulked around the baseboard to keep any water from going underneath there. I put some clear vinyl to protect the wall. And I'll be changing those plastic hose fittings with metal ones. I'm going to go draw up some plans. Good luck if you can figure this mess out. I'm really at a loss for words, so I'll let pictures and a finger tell the story. The new hose fittings get that hardware tucked out of the way. So let's get those other parts put to good use. Next, the sewer drain. Not sure if this is the fitting I want to go with. Let's try this Y fitting. Looks like this is going to work out. Now let's see if this drain works. Great, water flows right into the drain. Now onto the RV sewer connection. I think this fitting is the one I want to go with. Perfect fit. Now I got to clean up this trip hazard. There, job complete. The hot water tank is working. It's set just a little over half, and it really is scalding at that point, so I turn it down just a little bit. Now I have hot water and cold water. They both drain fine, and you'll have to trust me, the RV does too. The removable cover is an easy step over. So this completes this long-awaited project, and now it's time to go on to the next one. Thanks for watching.